to hide Instagram following list step by step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on Instagram step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and go to the Privacy section. Now, here's the important part. Instagram currently does not provide a direct option to completely hide your following list from everyone. But don't worry, here are the best alternatives you can use. Method 1. Switch to Private Account. Go to Privacy, then turn on Private Account. This ensures that only approved followers can see your following list. Method 2. Remove specific followers. Go back to your profile and tap on Followers. Remove people you don't want to see your following list. Method 3. Block users. If needed, you can block specific users so they cannot view your profile at all. Optional method. Report a feature request. Scroll down to Help, tap on Report a Problem, and request Instagram to add a feature to hide the following list. And that's it. While there's no direct option yet, these methods help you control your privacy effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.